I'm Dr. Michael Chiu, and I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon with subspecialty focus in sports medicine and arthroscopy, and I've been with Illinois Bone and Joint since 2017. My practice focuses on athletic knee, hip, shoulder, and elbow injuries using advanced non-surgical treatments including orthobiologic and regenerative medicine, as well as surgical intervention when needed to perform tendon repair, ligament reconstruction, cartilage restoration, and joint preservation. As a sports medicine specialist who's involved in taking care of several teams from the high school to professional level, as well as having an athletic background myself, I understand the drive that patients and athletes have to get back to sport following an injury as soon as possible. So whether we're talking about a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, understanding their goals and the timeline that they wish to accomplish those goals is important in helping drive the discussion about treatment plan and intervention, whether surgical or non-surgical is best. Ultimately, when we're able to achieve this, it is very satisfying and very rewarding for me as a sports medicine specialist to help patients get back to a healthy, active lifestyle that they desire. I enjoy sideline coverage and taking care of athletes, whether we're talking about high school, intercollegiate, professional, even Olympic level athletes. Being part of IBJI helps me facilitate that. IBJI is a one-stop shop, the rehabilitation side, prehab before surgery, post-operative rehabilitation, so we're able to cover the whole spectrum of care for that patient and helping them get back to a competitive, active lifestyle.